I'm about to expose you to some of the most powerful backlinks in the world. I'm going to show you how to get them on demand. As video marketers, we have to always push ourselves to higher levels. Fortunately, we can do this a lot easier than most outsiders understand. Wiki Whisperer is a tool that I classify as an advanced video marketing tool, even though it's simple to run and understand and has nothing directly to do with videos. In short, what it does for us is find ultra powerful backlink opportunities. Google loves Wikipedia, and if you have direct backlinks from Wikipedia, then Google automatically trusts and treats you as an authority. So as true insiders in video marketing, what the software does for us is gives us domains that have direct links from Wikipedia pages where the domain has expired and can be picked up for the cost of a regular domain. If you don't really understand the value of Wikipedia backlinks, do a Google search on it and you'll see that people offer it as a service and it'll charge you from $60 to $100 per backlink. And with the Wiki Whisperer software, you're able to get those backlinks for less than $10. Plus, because you own the domain, you're able to basically multi-purpose those domain level backlinks on a much larger scale than those services are providing at a much higher cost. So we're able to quickly achieve our goals from a video ranking perspective. When you're wanting to rank for a massively hard keyword, instead of buying a couple of Fiverr gigs to get a massive number of garbage backlinks that only help a little bit, spend that $10 on a domain and use a single link that provides more power and authority than tens of thousands of those silly little profile backlinks that everyone else is using. It's sort of like having the power of a massive PBN except at a fraction of the cost and with a lot more instant authority and trust from Google. So as video marketers, we need every edge we can get, and this software gives us that edge. Get this software and join the ranks of elite video marketers around the world. Together, we'll rule the video marketing landscape. All right, now let's walk through the software together so that you can see and understand the process. Wiki Whisperer is not only powerful, it's also good fun to play with. I constantly find cool little surprises. So let's walk through everything and I'll get you up to speed. Your campaign name is your own personal identifier. It allows you to easily pull up results from previous campaigns. All of your campaigns are saved into a folder in your Documents directory called Wiki Whisperer. Your Settings tab. This is where your personal core settings are entered. The software will not run until all of the fields in the settings are populated with your personal information. Your name, your email, your Moz credentials, and your license is all that's needed. Just click the Save button. You have two types of search options, keywords and metrics. Most beginning level marketers will stick to the keyword version because the software will find available backlinks that are in some way related to your keywords. Just enter your keyword into the keyword section and run it. Using the keyword search will always return less results than the metrics search type. Using the metrics option will get you a broader level of results. This is something more advanced users are going to be more comfortable with, since we know that when it comes to wiki backlink, it is truly the page authority of the wiki page that is the true driving force for the results that we're after. When using the metrics option, you do not need to enter any keywords. That option doesn't use keywords at all. As for your domain and page authority settings, the higher you set any of these numbers, the lower number of results will be retrieved. It is great if you want to be laser targeted on one specific thing, since it does all of the filtering for you on the fly. The downside of filtering is that you can very easily filter out some amazing finds that you had not even thought of before. Personally, I don't use the little sliders at all. I don't use filtering at all on mine. I leave them all set to a minimum so that it returns the absolute most results, which of course means I'm presented with a lot more choices. I can't tell you how many times I have run across amazing metric sets that I would have never thought of, but were amazingly powerful. One other note, there's a lot going on behind the scenes in the software, and it's using multi-threading extensively. Because of the multi-threading, the activity area just can't keep up. So on your end, it might look like at some points the software's stuck, but it isn't. Just leave it alone and let it keep running. As long as there's a little blue wavy image that's going on here, the software is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'll say this again, just to be clear. If you think the software is stuck, it isn't. Just leave it alone, let it do its thing. Now, as far as where it's saving it, I'm going to go ahead and open up one that I've done before. So as you see, the software is giving me the domain name, it's giving me the stats, it's giving me everything that I need in order to make a decision on whether or not I want to buy that domain and use it as a backlink. As far as any other settings that this requires, that's all fully covered in the official tutorial that you'll get after you've made your purchase. Well, there you go. We just took a look at a single tool that can be used to rank for the hardest keywords on the planet and do it with ease. Our goal is massive infiltration of high-impact niches, and this software takes us there. There's a world of opportunity available with this program, aside from getting yourself backlinks that allow you to rank for hardcore competitive keywords. You could also start offering a service to get other people Wikipedia backlinks and likely make a small fortune. Of course, you could also build entire high-power PBNs used for yourself or sell on places like Flippa for a massive profit. Let's face it, the single software tool opens doors that most people will never even know exist. Right this moment, you have a massive advantage in the marketplace from multiple perspectives because you can use it to create multiple income streams starting immediately. So now you get to decide. Do you keep doing what you're doing, or do you come with us, join our group of elite level marketers where we truly rank on demand for anything we want? I think you should join us and enjoy the highest levels of video marketing rank power. The pricing for this software will only get higher from here. This is absolutely the lowest price you'll ever get it for. And if you ask around a bit, you'll find that whenever I do a price increase on my software, those price increases come in $100 increments. So right now is truly the very best time you can get yourself a copy of this program. Now be sure carefully read and explore the rest of the information on this page so that you're able to make a truly informed buying decision.